For me, what I like most about the Canaries, it's only 4 hours from London. It's a short flight and it's the weather. It's the winter weather for me, getting away from London, 23, 25 degrees in November. The scenery is fantastic. I was diving in the Canaries. The water's beautiful and so clear, and it's much warmer than it would be if I was diving in the UK at this time of year. So I enjoyed, there's a lot to see, there's a lot of sea life, absolutely fantastic. For me, the most amazing experience was diving with dolphins. The sea is so warm and clear, and you're swimming with dolphins, and that is truly amazing. Most magnificent thing I've seen. For me, the most fantastic thing is I can leave my work at 5 o'clock in the evening, in the dark. 4 hours later, I'm in the Canaries, and I can wake up the next day to brilliant sunshine, warm sea and diving, and that's a miracle when 24 hours before I was in London, cold and wet. There's such a great community in the Canaries, and it's fantastic. When I've been diving or walking, I've met lots of new people, met loads of new friendships out there that have continued back here and that I can meet up when I go back each year to the Canaries. I've been to Canaries every winter for the last 10 years. It's where I go every November. It's an annual trip for me to do my diving and walking, so I'll be back next year for sure.